We're here today at St Paul's Walk, right in the centre of the city, looking at some of the beautiful works that have been created by Newport artist Stephanie Roberts as part of the Newport Women Remembered collection. The information for these pieces was taken from a wonderful book by Sylvia Mason called Every Woman Remembered, and it focuses on a variety of different elements of women's lives and celebrates the women of Newport from a variety of different backgrounds. This is Minnie, and she's a beautiful depiction of all the different types of women that work together to support the war effort in Newport. While they may not have fought on the front line, they were really important to the war effort. As you can see here in the piece, you have two women. So the lower woman is supporting the woman at the top. The lower woman is the woman that's at home. She's supporting the family. She's working hard to keep food on the table, while the woman that she's supporting is going out to work. She's working in the munitions factories. She's supporting the war effort through different types of work that she may not have been asked to do beforehand. Now that woman in turn is supporting three figures. So they represent the three different armed forces, three different forces that were prevalent at the time of the First World War. They're in different metallic colours because of the munitions. Many women in Newport worked in the munitions factory, supplying the war effort with what they needed to do their job. If you look very closely in the skirt of the lady that's being supported, the woman with the teal part of her skirt, just the lower part, there's a face. You can see a face, and the face represents the unborn child that she may be carrying. Because of the war effort, she would have been separated from her husband, from the father of her children, but she's still supporting the three different forces through her work. So this piece is all about women supporting other women and supporting the war effort, whether that's directly through providing ammunition through the munitions factories or supporting other women to be able to leave their traditional roles in the home and the house to go off and provide that ongoing support for the war.